Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. I'm a 34-year-old single mom and teacher, and I do cash budgeting to help me stay financially accountable. Today I'm going to be playing in my holiday binders. So I have my one binder here for Valentine's Day and this Christmas binder. Let's get into it. Okay, so how are y'all doing? Happy Friday. I hope y'all are having a great day and a great start to your weekend. I'm filming this on Thursday night. I just did my skincare. It's like 10 p.m. So I'm gonna film this before I have to go to bed. I have to wake up tomorrow and head to the gym for a training session. Okay, but we're gonna do this little Valentine's challenge. I made this and it's available in my Etsy store, and we don't have a ton more time to save before Valentine's Day. I already have a lot of money put away, so I think I'll be all set, but I did want to just use it since I did make it and put the stickers on and everything. So it's a combo roll and save and scratch off. So you roll for the little circles here and you scratch off. And if you find the strawberry, then you save a certain amount. So we're gonna roll a D4 and see what we're saving for the strawberries. So we're saving $3 for each strawberry. And let's roll and see where we're scratching. All right, so we scratched here last. Let's go 1, 2, and 3. All right, so that's a 4. And then let's roll a D4 and see what we're saving for this roll and save here. All right, that's a 1. So $5, awesome. So now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 with this challenge. So we're gonna put this in my Valentine's Day folder. I already have $50 in here that I just stuck in here before I was doing any challenges or anything. So I have, what I say, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will definitely plenty of money. For Valentine's Day, I'm gonna get Aria a little something, and maybe, I don't know, on the day of, she's gonna be gone to her dad's for just the day. Oops, let me put this back in here. So I will be able to go out, maybe go out, get myself a little drink or something. So that'll be fun. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? Do you guys have any plans? What's going to be the vibe for y'all? A cozy night in, a date night out? Let me know what's going on. All right, so with the rest of the money, I think I have about $60 here. So with the rest of that, we are going to save for Christmas. And last time we left off on this little snowman guy right here. So we're doing weekly budgets next. This little Disney challenge. All right, so let's roll and see where we're going. All right, 1 and 2. All right, so that's $6 for this. Okay, I don't really have change here that I can make yet, so hopefully I'll be able to soon. Otherwise, I'll have to find some change somewhere. But it's so nice to be saving for Christmas this early. Last year, I didn't start saving until, well, I started at the beginning of the year, but not a ton at a time. I was just doing like a mini here or there. 1, 2. This one is by Budget with Amanda. And so it's nice now because I feel like I can take my time with the challenges. I don't feel rushed to complete them, which is so nice. So it feels very relaxing and I'm loving it. Oops, my money is here, I forgot. 7, okay, so 9 and 7, that would be 16 total. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I still can't make change, but Oh well. All right, so I have been a little bit frantic over the past couple days, guys. So I know I told y'all that I was getting money from my grandma, so I did get that and I got it deposited, but I severely miscalculated all the things that I had to pay off, or the amount that I had to pay off. So I had planned on paying off my Discover card and my car payment, but unfortunately I was only able to pay off my Discover, and I was not able to pay off my car. So I did pull money from the 100 envelope challenge that I've been saving, because I really want to get rid of my car payment this month. I'm so close. And so I pulled what I had. I kept envelopes 1 through 25, and I pulled the rest. And so I was able to make a big payment towards my car. I think I put about $2,000 towards it. And now I just have like $1,000 left. So I'm hoping that I can pay it off before the end of this month, and just like scrimp and scrounge and whatever, and find the money to put towards it, and have that be done with. So that's the plan. Hopefully that works out, but we'll see. And if not, we'll pay it off next month. All right, so this challenge is by Nori from Norelli's Budgets. We saved 2 more of these candy canes, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not right. Oh yeah, no, because right before Christmas, I had completed some of this before Christmas, and I pulled all the money, even if the challenges weren't finished. So that's why that's off. Okay. All right, next we have Lemon Ivy and this gingerbread scratcher here. Let's just scratch this next scratch off right here. Oh my goodness gracious, 17, okay. All right, well, at least I can get some change. 2, 3, so I'll put these back for 20. All right, so now we have 21, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 25. We started this before Christmas as well, so this is just what we've saved since then. All right, our next challenge here is by Rad Girl Budgets. Rad Girl Budgets. Let's roll. All right, that's a 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine, we'll do it that way. All right, so $5. Let's see what we have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Our next challenge here is by Vicky over at Vicky Thinks. We're going to roll a D4. All right, so $3 for that. We're also going to scratch one of these cards that she sent me. Aren't these so cute? Let's see. Let's do this little penguin one. That looks cute. So how was y'all's day? I had a pretty good day. Today was Thursday, so I was at work. Okay, $1. Nice. That's easy peasy. I have 14 here. Wait, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let me scratch another one, actually. Oh, that's a 10. Okay. I was not expecting that. Okay, so 10, 11, 14. So we need to put 6 back, and we can grab this 20. All right, there we go. All right, so we have 25, 26, 27, 28. So yeah, I had a pretty good day at work today. I enjoyed the kiddos. And I'm at the point of the year where I feel like I can start roasting them a little bit, or, you know, giving them a hard time. which is always so fun. And it depends on the class, but with my classes that I know I can do that, oops, I need a D3. I'll just use a D4. If I know that I can do that with them, you know, it's fine. But there are some kids that I just don't do it with. But yeah, if I've built that relationship with them, it can be kind of fun to do that and give them a little bit of hard time and rage bait them a little bit. You got to. 1, 2, 3. At the beginning of the year, I tend not to because I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put these back and grab the 5. So we have 15 here now. So yeah, at the beginning, I'm generally not doing any of that because I want to get to know them. I want them to like know that I'm not being for real whenever I do tease them or whatever. So, all right, this challenge is by LV Budgets, and we are saving $4 with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 14. We did start this before Christmas, so that's why it's a little bit low. All right, also guys, a little plug here. I got this chai mix from Costco. It came in like a set of 2 bottles, and you just mix equal portions of chai tea, the chai tea like concentrate with milk, and I steamed it with my espresso like steam wand. It's really nice. If you like chai tea, you can do it hot or iced, whatever floats your boat. I never really drink iced drinks, like especially if they're like coffees or teas. I only drink like warm coffee. I hardly ever do iced coffee. 1, 2, 3. This challenge is from Blue Kiwi Budgets, and it's so cute. She personalized it with my channel, or with my name, my actual name, not my channel name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Speaking of my channel name, I started a little rebrand today, so I was working on that earlier, changing up my logo, my YouTube banner, my Etsy store banner, just to try to have a more consistent look. And I think it's really cute, so let me know what you guys think so far. I'm also planning on redesigning all my Etsy listings so that there's a more cohesive look throughout all of those as well. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Changed up my logo. All right, this one is by Dine Outlaw Games and Budgets. So we're saving $5 with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is all the money we have today. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 with this challenge. All right, so we didn't finish any challenges today, but that's okay. Like I said, we have a lot of time to save for next year. So next time we come back, we will start with Toria's budgets and we'll go from there. So that is the end of our video, guys. I'm so sad to go so soon, but thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know, say hi in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and let me know how you're doing, and I will see you next time. Bye.